Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how you can hem your peplum or flea with a bias. Yes, it's very simple. If you don't want to put stay or turn with lining, so this is how you would do it. Okay, this is our peplum, or should we call it flea. This is for a sleeve. Yes, we just want to add it to a sleeve. When you get your long sleeve, just attach it at the tip. That is what this is for. So you see, so I already cut it out. The next thing I'm going to do now is to get my bias. So this is the bias I'm going to make use of. This one. Okay, so this is it. Now let's start. So I'll show you guys how we are going to attach it to the peplum. So you get your bias. When you get your bias, you start from that open place. You see that I made an opening. If there is no opening, then fine. Just know that where you start from, when you get to that side, you're also going to join the bias. For this one, I opened the flea. So this is how we are going to do it. So you see that edge, make sure the bias and the peplum are equal. So you see, place it, making sure they're equal. Then there is another edge inside. You're going to stitch on it. Don't stitch outside that line. You're going to stitch on it, because if you stitch outside the line, then it will be very difficult for you to fold. Okay, so just watch and see what I'm going to do. Okay, now as you sew, use your hand, like this is a bias. When you say you cut something in a biased form, it's not straight. So as you sew, you use your hand, you follow the bias. You see the way I'm doing it, as if it's being curved. So you see, it's not a straight line sewing. So you see the way I'm doing it. So that's how you're going to be sewing and controlling it till you're done sewing. Yes. Okay. Okay, so when you get to the end, you cut out the excess bias remaining. You keep it by the side. So the next thing we're going to do now, so you see what it looks like after the first sewing. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so the next thing, you go to the other side, then you turn it. Okay, so you see, now when you turn this, you make sure that the other side, that the bias is not showing on the other side. If you have your iron at this stage, you can press it. You can press it with your hot iron. But you look at what I'm doing. I'm trying to make sure the bias is not visible at the other side, especially the edges. So when you fold it this way, you're going to sew at the edge of the bias, the tip of the bias. That is where you're going to sew. Okay? So I'm just making sure the bias is not showing on the other side. So now we're going to sew at the tip. Like I said, just that tip. Okay? You sew it round, just like we did when we started fixing the bias to the peplum. As you're sewing, you'll be using your hand, you see, to arrange it. Like, I'm just trying to let you guys know that it's not a straight sewing. Yes, because some of you will be sewing now and you'll be dragging it, making it to be straight. No, it's supposed to do as if it's going round. Yes, it will be going round. It will be going round. Okay, as if it's curved. Yes, it's not supposed to be a straight sewing. Okay. Okay, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to check if the other side if the bias was visible, and I noticed it wasn't. So I had to continue sewing. You see? You see how the edges are already looking so fine, so beautiful. Yes, that is how yours is supposed to be when you are done sewing. So you see it. Okay? So we are done doing that. It's very simple. Now I said that this is for a sleeve. Yes, I'm attaching this to a long sleeve. Now let me say you're making a peplum top or a gown with a peplum attached to it. This is how to do it. There is no different. Just if you know you're not fusing stay, you're not adding anything, any interface into the peplum. This is how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, and it will come out fine. So thank you for watching. This is how to use your bias to hem your peplum, your flea. Okay, so this is it. So you see how fine it is. You see how the bias was not showing on this other side. Okay, you see, this is how yours is supposed to be when you're done sewing. So thank you for watching.